Hello, today we are playing an Animal Crossing game. That's for mobile, because Pocket Camp. Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. It's good. Don't look at that. Try completing your Animal Pass request. The better friends you'll become, the higher your level will get. Hello, Mr. Dog. Hello, welcome to Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Would it be cool if I asked you a question right off the bat? Let's say you're on vacation tomorrow. What would you do? The world is yours. I just chill out. You and me both, my friend. Sometimes I wonder if I should have been a fisherman. Well, I think you're headed in the right direction. Enjoy the peace and quiet and go at your own pace. How you doing? It's been good talking to you. Maybe our paths will cross again someday. Craft furniture. Get ready to play. Bye. I'm not good with hair choices. No, I'm keeping it with you. Actually, no, this. You will be staring in your soul. How will it be in the middle? Right here? I want it to be in the middle, so it's both. Not sure if I can do this music. Oh wait, who's that? Oh, welcome. You must be the new camp manager I've been waiting for. It's great to see you. Oh yeah, and my voice might sound a little bit squeaky because I don't have a microphone. So yeah, that's why in all my videos my voice is a bit squeaky. What? No need to be modest. I've heard great things about you. Oh, I have all registered and everything, but I'm not quite sure how to pronounce your name. Should mine? No. Bob. Did I hear that right? You go by Bob? Yep. That's me. Alright, welcome to your new campsite, Bob. My name's Isabella, and it's been a pleasure to show you around and explain how things work. As camp manager, you've got the run of this place. You mean I get to run this place? You can set up amenities and furniture any way you like. There are so many possibilities, and of course, since it's such a spacious campsite, you'll be able to host quite a few guests. Sounds good. Great. Now I just need a tiny Time to make your place perfect for you and your guests. I want a bit of information too. Tell me, how would you describe your ideal campsite in one word? Go. Got it. Ooh, I can't wait to show off the place when it's all ready. Actually, now that I think about it, would you be able to help me about a teensy bit? By a teensy bit, you mean like every single thing that you're supposed to do, even though it's your job and not mine. I'd like to get all set up with a brand new furniture, but I'm a little short of craft materials. Why don't you drive your camper over to Breezy Hollow and see if anyone needs help? Trading craft materials around here is kind of how we do things out here in the country, you see. Okay. Let's go. Helping out. Next. I don't know you, do I? Really, I'm asking you here, the old nagging one it used to be. So your name's Bob. Great to meet you, kiddo. So, Bob, what is it that brings you to this little slice of paradise? I'll tell you right off the bat that I'm here for the fruit. Need any help? You do that for me? Well, you're all right. In that case, could I trouble you for an apple? Sure. Let's find an apple tree. Don't do this in real life. Don't shake trees in real life. So did you come through for me, kiddo? Here, take this. Here you go. Oh, thanks a million. That looks tasty. What did he say? What a refreshing way to get vitamins. I call dips on the next batch. 400 bells. 6 cotton. Means a lot to meet someone you can count on, you know. I'm gonna learn you something important, so pay attention. That cotton I gave you, go see Cyrus about it. He can work wonders with it, furniture wonders. 200 bells. So I have 600 bells? I hope we cross paths again, Bob. I'll definitely keep my eye out for you. Take care, kiddo. I have some furniture items now, so I guess I should head back to my campsite. Hey, Isabella. Bob, welcome back. Well, I hope this has been worth the wait. Everything is almost ready for you to start camping. Well, I hope this has been worth the wait. Everything is almost ready for you. Looks good. Oh, I'm glad you like it. I should point out that this lovely furniture is from Cyrus and Reese. That's confusing to say. The owners and operators of the Retail on the Road, a mobile craft workshop unlike any other. I'm going to give them no voices because I don't know which gender they are. Nice to meet you too. Craft. Good eye. I'll get right on it. That's Cyrus for you, already hard at work. He often has other projects too, so it could take him a little while to get to yours. Of course, if you're feeling antsy, you can always speed things up with leaf tickets. Hey, I actually have a few extra leaf tickets right now. I'll show you how it works. 12 leaf tickets, dude. Huh? I so like in games where you oh yeah, where you skip stuff. Why did it take me so long? Oh, finished. That looks wonderful. Not bad if I do say so myself. Take good care of it, okay? Alright, I suppose it's time we head back to town. Be sure to let us know if you want to craft anything else, Bob. We're ready. In fact, we're just a few taps away on your phone, and we're always expanding our catalogue. You should see some of the bigger novelties that Cyrus has crafted for our clients. Duh. Wow, that really was a nice piece he made for you. I'm a little jealous. It's going to look great out here, too. Here, I'll help you get it set up. Oh, what's this? Contacts, Apollo. Oh, hey, Apollo. Invite to campsite. Yes. Hey, Apollo, you came. Guess he really likes that couch. You want to touch your pill, kiddo? The place is looking great. Yes! Now Apollo can come visit my campsite anytime. Yes! New guest gets invited. Yes! I forgot what she said. Oh well, I didn't. Is it Bella? Wow, you're off to a great start. I knew you would make a first-class camp manager. I can't wait to see how things are going when you're hosting all kinds of visitors. I'll do my best. Oh, I almost forgot. I have one more surprise for you. It's a small camp warming gift. What's that? This is a starter pack? It's kind of a starter pack for the great outdoors. After all, there's so much to do around here. I hope that pack helps you experience it all. Oh yeah, and if you're liking this, well, I suppose I should get going. I got an important job too. That said, I did try to make myself available at Marketplace, so come by anytime. Anyway, if you're liking the video so far, can you please consider liking and subscribing, and also ring that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Please, it would do a lot. Anyway, oh, looks like we got some more locations. Are we just... Skip for now.
Let's do it.
Oh, that is actually.
Anyway, on that note, I'm going to end it here because, you know. Anyway, if you like this series, I might do a part 2, but I do have a lot of other stuff I might want to do. And I have some other stuff planned. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope you all have a great day and goodbye.